Today, let's take a closer look at the Wacaco Picopresso, popular choice for portable espresso makers. The unboxing experience is truly satisfying. However, I've had this for a year, so I no longer have the box. It comes in this solid and well-crafted protective case with a strong zipper and a soft interior, perfect for keeping your Picopresso safe on the go. This compact cylindrical brewer fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Every time I see it, it just gives off a premium vibe. Its contemporary aesthetic and sleek black finish are immediately striking. The Picopresso feels sturdy, weighs about 480 grams. It's about 558 grams with the case. It's solid but lightweight. That's important for any portable device. When you open it up, you'll be surprised by how many useful things are packed into this small brewer and how organized they are. Let's break it down. First, open the bottom lid. Unscrew the filter basket and holder. You'll find a high-quality shower screen designed to distribute water evenly over your coffee puck. Here comes a cute little collapsible scoop. It has a 54mm unpressurized basket, and the lid on the holder is removable, so you can turn it into a bottomless portafilter and see the espresso drip directly from the basket. Now to the top. Remove the lid. You have a solid stainless steel tamper. And this dosing funnel is a lifesaver for puck prep. Inside the brew chamber, you'll find a WDT needle and a brush. Twist to release the plunger from the brew chamber. This is where the magic happens. Pump this to generate the necessary pressure for your espresso shot. By the way, Wacaco offers a new stand and a pressure gauge accessories for the Picopresso, but they are often out of stock, so I haven't had a chance to try them yet. Those accessories, especially a pressure gauge, could really help in refining the brewing process, making it even more precise and enjoyable. All these elements are useful and streamline your brewing process. Let's make some coffee and check out the shot quality. First, weigh 16 grams of coffee beans. As usual, spray some water before grinding to reduce static. You'll need a high-quality grinder to dial in for the perfect shot with the Picopresso. Treat it like a professional espresso machine. Here, I'm using the EasyPresso K Max. Experiment with different grind settings to find the ideal size. If the shot is too watery, go for a finer grind. If the flow rate is too slow, opt for a coarser grind. Puck prep is another crucial step for a perfect shot. Place the dosing funnel on the basket so you won't pour the grinds all over the table as you transfer them from the grinder. It's incredibly thoughtful to have this tool. As you can see, there are clumps and the coffee bed is not level. If you temp now, you'll create channeling during extraction. Use this needle to stir and evenly distribute the grounds in your basket. Yes, it's not that efficient, but it works. If you have a WDT tool, the process will be much faster. I highly recommend getting one if you enjoy brewing espresso. Now tamp down evenly, ensuring the tamp is level. I like to give it a twist after tamping to polish the puck. Your coffee puck is now ready. The quality of your coffee puck is so important for proper extraction. If it's not done correctly, your coffee will spray all over the table if you make a bottomless shot. I always enjoy watching the coffee drip into the cup. So let's remove the lid. Don't forget the shower screen. Screw the basket back onto the brewer. Fill the brew chamber with boiling water. Now it's ready to pull a shot. First, push the plunger steadily 5 to 10 times to pre-wet your coffee puck. This helps reduce the risk of channeling. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds, then continue pushing the plunger. If you have a scale, that's perfect. If not, using up the water in the brew chamber should yield approximately 36 grams of coffee in the cup. Ideally, complete the brewing in about 25 seconds. And there you have it, a shot of cafe quality espresso. It's an authentic espresso, just like what you'd get from a fancier machine. Rich with crema, complexity, and nuanced flavor. The whole process indeed requires some barista skills and knowledge of espresso, but that's the charm of this espresso maker. Cleaning the Picopresso is straightforward as well. Simply dump any remaining water and the used coffee grounds. Then, rinse all the parts under running water. Either let it air dry or wipe it down with a clean cloth, and it's ready for another shot. This simple cleanup process makes it even more convenient for coffee enthusiasts on the go. Comparing the Picopresso with other portable espresso makers I've tried, it also stands out in many aspects. The Staresso, which I reviewed previously, is a more affordable and beginner-friendly option. With its pressurized basket, you can't really go wrong, even without perfect grind size and puck prep technique. You can also upgrade to a non-pressurized basket. However, the Picopresso does not offer a pressurized option, requiring higher barista skills. All these three are quite easy to use. You use your thumbs to push the plunger with the Picopresso. It's manageable, but not as effortless as the Staresso's vertical plunger. The Cafflano Kompresso is less user-friendly than the other two. It lacks compatible accessories, so puck preparation can be messy. Pushing down the plunger on the Kompresso can also be challenging at times. Now let's talk about shot quality. The Staresso easily produces a decent shot. It's not as great as the Picopresso, but definitely drinkable and consistent. However, the crema is a bit bubbly if you use the pressurized basket. The Picopresso delivers the best shot quality among the three when used correctly. The crema is velvety and rich, and the body, flavor, and texture are comparable to mid-range traditional espresso machines. The Cafflano's shot is thinner, and it's challenging to achieve good crema, but the shots are notably bright and flavorful. Overall, I'd recommend both Picopresso and Staresso. Choose the one for you depending on your budget and barista skills. This is my review for the Wacaco Picopresso. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.